Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ConvertKit forms capture leads easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify ConvertKit forms capture leads, start by logging into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the Forms section in the main menu. Select the form you want to verify from your list of forms. Once the form is open, click on the Settings tab at the top. Check the incentive email settings to ensure that it's enabled if you're using one. Now, go to the Integrations tab to confirm that your email service is properly connected. Next, click on the Embed tab to review the code provided for your form. Copy the embed code for your form. Open the website or landing page where you want to place the form. Paste the embed code into the HTML of your page. Once the code is in place, save your changes and publish your page. Now, it's time to test the form. Visit the page where your form is embedded. Fill out the form with a test email address. Submit the form to see if it works properly. After submission, check your email inbox for the incentive email. If you receive the email, this means your form is capturing leads successfully. Look for the email address you just submitted to ensure it's added to your list. If you see the email listed, your form is functioning correctly. If you do not see the email, double-check the embed code and settings in ConvertKit. Repeat the testing process if necessary until you confirm the form works. Congratulations, you have now successfully verified that your ConvertKit form captures leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.